Welcome to Buying Guide. Are you ready to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level? Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone or an experienced pilot seeking the ultimate flying machine, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the 5 best drones of 2025 that offer incredible features, stunning image quality, and cutting-edge technology. Let's find the perfect drone to match your needs and unlock your creative potential. Let's dive in. Best overall, DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is the perfect drone for content creators, travel vloggers, photographers, and drone enthusiasts who want to elevate their creativity. Whether you're capturing breathtaking 4K 60 FPS videos, shooting vivid RAW photos, or filming in D-Log-M for enhanced dynamic range, this drone ensures professional-grade results with ease. Equipped with cutting-edge features, the Air 3S offers unparalleled creative opportunities. Its dual-camera system boasts a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 48-megapixel medium telelens with 9x zoom, letting you capture stunning details from every angle. Additionally, it supports 4K 120 frames per second, slow-motion footage, and vertical 9:16 video, perfect for social media platforms. Advanced obstacle avoidance and return-to-home technology ensure a smooth flying experience, even in challenging environments. Another highlight is the built-in 42GB internal memory, providing ample storage for your footage, and the 10-bit D-Log-M video recording, which brings cinematic quality to your videos. At a price point of $1,099, the Air 3S delivers incredible value, rivaling higher-priced options like the Mavic 3 Pro. The Fly More combo, with extra batteries and a shoulder bag, makes it an even better deal for avid travelers. While its weight exceeds 249 grams, requiring registration with aviation authorities like the FAA or CAA, the Air 3S's capabilities far outweigh this minor requirement. With the DJI Fly app, you can easily stay informed about flying restrictions and make the most of your adventures. Overall, the DJI Air 3S combines innovation, functionality, and performance, making it an exceptional choice for anyone looking to capture the world from above. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this drone is designed to inspire your creativity. Best Mini Drone, DJI Mini 4 Pro. With a lightweight build and pro-grade features, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is an exceptional compact drone that builds upon the success of its predecessor, the Mini 3 Pro. While not a revolutionary upgrade, it refines key aspects to offer an even better flying experience. If you're transitioning from an older model or buying your first mini-series drone, the Mini 4 Pro is an excellent choice. Its compact folding design remains nearly identical to the Mini 3 Pro, with a takeoff weight of 249 grams that complies with drone regulations in most countries. The familiar 1.3-inch sensor continues to deliver stunning image quality, now enhanced by processing updates that improve performance in low-light conditions. For serious videographers, the addition of the D-Log-M color profile brings greater flexibility and consistency, especially when paired with DJI's higher-end drones like the Mavic 3. Safety and ease of use also see significant improvements, with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance ensuring smoother operation in challenging environments, such as indoors or near trees. Active Track 360-degree technology makes it easier for beginners to confidently navigate and capture dynamic shots. For those who opt for the DJI RC2 controller, the Mini 4 Pro becomes the ultimate backpack-friendly drone, offering unmatched portability and convenience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, the DJI Mini 4 Pro blends professional-grade performance with a user-friendly design, making it a top pick for those seeking a high-quality compact drone. Best Camera Drone, DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is the perfect choice for creators who demand exceptional image quality, without the added cost of extra features they may not use. This drone simplifies its approach by focusing on its 4/3 main sensor, widely regarded as the best camera available on a folding drone. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or cinematic footage, the Mavic 3 Classic delivers stunning results with incredible detail and clarity. It's designed for professionals and advanced users, yet its user-friendly features such as collision avoidance, subject tracking, and automated quick shots make it approachable for confident beginners as well. The drone excels in capturing 5.1K video in normal, HLG, and 10-bit profiles, ensuring versatility for various creative needs. Plus, its larger sensor ensures outstanding low-light performance and minimal noise across the full ISO range. While it doesn't include features like a telephoto camera, 1TB SSD, or Apple ProRes recording found in the Mavic 3 Cine Edition, these omissions make it a more cost-effective option without compromising core functionality. For those who value image quality above all else, the Mavic 3 Classic offers the best combination of professional-grade performance and practicality. If you're okay with a smaller 1-inch sensor, the DJI Air 2S provides a more affordable alternative. However, for those who want the absolute best image quality from a foldable drone, the Mavic 3 Classic is a top-tier choice that doesn't disappoint. Best value: DJI Mini 3. For those just stepping into the world of drone photography, the DJI Mini 3 is a perfect entry-level option that combines affordability with impressive features. Its lightweight and compact design, just under the FAA's 250-gram limit, makes it ideal for casual users and hobbyists who want hassle-free flying without the need for registration. Despite its budget-friendly price, the DJI Mini 3 delivers excellent performance. Its 4K camera and f1.7 aperture produce stunning visuals, even in low-light conditions. With a battery life of up to 38 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to capture breathtaking footage without constant recharging. For those who want extended flight time, the optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus boosts usage up to an impressive 51 minutes. Equipped with essential features like image stabilization, smart flight modes, and an intuitive controller, the Mini 3 makes capturing cinematic shots easy and enjoyable. While it doesn't include obstacle avoidance sensors found in higher-end models, its user-friendly design and advanced functionality ensure a smooth flying experience for beginners. Whether you're exploring drone photography as a hobby or capturing special moments from above, the DJI Mini 3 offers incredible value, making it a fantastic starter drone that doesn't compromise on quality. Best cheap drone: DJI Neo. For beginners and budget-conscious enthusiasts, the DJI Neo delivers a fantastic combination of affordability and essential features. Its lightweight and compact design, weighing just 4.76 ounces, makes it perfect for carrying around on adventures. Despite its small size, the Neo is packed with impressive capabilities, making it a strong contender in the entry-level drone category. Equipped with the ability to shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, the DJI Neo ensures your footage is crisp and smooth, thanks to DJI's advanced stabilization algorithm. While it doesn't have a 3-axis gimbal like some of its pricier counterparts, the Neo still captures stunning visuals that exceed expectations for its price range. With 22 gigabytes of internal storage, you can save your footage directly on the drone, and the quick transfer feature makes it easy to share your creations with just a few taps on your phone. The Neo is also incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're using the RCN3 controller or the DJI Fly app, piloting this drone is straightforward and enjoyable. Although it lacks object avoidance technology, careful navigation ensures a safe and satisfying flight experience. While its 18-minute flight time is shorter than higher-end DJI models, the Neo's affordability and impressive performance make it a great option for those looking to explore aerial photography and videography without breaking the bank. It's an ideal first drone for anyone wanting to capture breathtaking views from the skies. And that wraps up our list of the 5 best drones available today. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, shooting cinematic videos, or simply having fun flying, there's a drone here for everyone. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.